Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to disappear and start over? What if you could erase your current life and reinvent yourself with the wisdom you've acquired? Imagine stepping into a new existence, free from your past and sculpted by your dreams. This video isn't just a thought experiment. It's a practical guide to turning the fantasy of a brand new life into reality. Stick around to discover a step-by-step blueprint for transforming your life. And consider what you might be missing if you choose not to watch. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started on your path to non-existence. Number 1. Self-discovery. Unpacking discontent. Before taking drastic steps, deeply analyze what's causing dissatisfaction in your life. Is it your career, relationships, or environment? Identifying the root cause is crucial. For instance, someone unhappy in their job might find a career change or new industry less radical but equally effective as starting over. It's essential to ensure your desire to vanish isn't a fleeting impulse, but a well-considered decision. Number 2. The art of disappearing. Reducing social footprint. Begin to reduce your social footprint gradually. If you're used to attending weekly meetups or family gatherings, start by skipping a few events and increase the intervals between your appearances. This gradual withdrawal mimics the natural drifting apart that occurs in many relationships, making your final disappearance less shocking. Number 3. Liquidating assets. Funding your freedom. Begin converting your belongings into cash, creating a fund for your new life. Sell items gradually to avoid suspicion. This method was effectively demonstrated by a person who sold off assets over several months, using garage sales and online platforms, thereby gathering sufficient funds without alerting friends or family. Sell off possessions that don't serve your future. This could mean auctioning off collectibles or selling your car if urban public transport can serve you just as well in your new life. This not only cleanses your physical space, but bolsters your finances for a fresh start. Number 4. Debt-free departure. Clearing financial ties. Eliminate all debts to prevent them from following you. Imagine someone who clears their credit card debts and student loans, ensuring no obligations are left to tie them to their old identity. Ensure all debts are paid and all bank accounts closed to prevent traces that could lead back to you. This step is about severing financial ties cleanly, much like someone who settles all outstanding bills before relocating abroad, ensuring no obligations remain that could later cause complications. Number 5. Erasing digital trails. Protecting your privacy. Minimize your digital footprint by deactivating social media accounts, unsubscribe from newsletters, and managing your online data through services that help remove personal information from public databases. Consider how celebrities manage to reduce their online presence to maintain privacy, employing teams to tighten their digital security and privacy settings. This step is crucial as it removes traces of your existence from the internet. For example, someone might use a service to scrub their data from data broker sites, ensuring their past online activities can't easily be traced. Number 6. Tech cleanse. Preparing for a new start. Cancel all subscriptions and dispose of or cleanse digital devices that might track your previous existence. A person planning to disappear might switch to using cash for transactions to avoid leaving digital traces through card payments and online purchases. By doing so, like a mystery novel character covering their tracks, you ensure no lingering digital footprints lead back to your old life. Number 7. Anonymity in tech. Purchasing with privacy. Purchase new technology strictly with cash, avoiding any registration that requires personal information. This mirrors the actions of investigative journalists working undercover who buy equipment anonymously to avoid leaving a traceable record. Transition to cash transactions to avoid leaving digital traces. Someone could start attending flea markets and thrift stores, paying cash for necessities to avoid digital records. Number 8. New identity. Legally reinventing yourself. Change your name legally and adopt a new persona both legally and mentally. Choose regions with privacy-friendly policies for name changes. This is akin to witness protection participants who start anew with new identities, completely disconnecting from their past. Develop a backstory for your new persona. An example is someone moving from the US to New Zealand and adopting a name more common in their new home to blend in better. Number 9. Strategic relocation. Choosing the right environment. Travel to a new location that supports anonymity, such as countries offering golden visas or places that don't require sharing citizens' data internationally. Like expatriates moving to remote islands to escape the public eye, you can choose a new home that promises privacy and a fresh start. Utilize tourist visas or remote work permits to extend your stay without drawing attention. Number 10. Habit transformation, crafting a new routine. Change your daily habits to support your new identity, avoiding old patterns that could link back to your previous life. This transformation is crucial for making your new identity believable, similar to method actors who immerse themselves in new roles to the point where their off-screen lives are temporarily unrecognizable. Change daily routines to reflect your new identity. For instance, if fitness was never part of your past life, joining a local gym or hiking club could establish a new part of your persona. Number 11. Social integration, blending in. Choose a community where blending in feels natural and establish friendships under your new identity. By introducing yourself in your new role right from the start, you solidify your presence in this new world, much like immigrants who adapt to new cultures and communities by forming new social connections. Select a community that aligns with your new identity. Engage in local activities and social functions to gradually build relationships under your new persona without drawing undue attention to your past. Number 12. Economic foundations. Establishing financial independence. Seek employment or start a business that complements your new identity, ensuring it aligns with your new lifestyle and location. For example, someone moving to a coastal town might start a maritime service, blending their professional and personal transformations seamlessly. Consider remote work or local employment that doesn't require extensive background checks. This allows you to earn a living while maintaining your anonymity, such as freelance graphic design or teaching English as a second language. Number 13. Digital minimalism, maintaining low online visibility. Live as your ancestors did, low tech and under the radar. Use public libraries for internet access, pay for utilities at the bank in cash, and avoid subscriptions that require home addresses. Keep your digital interactions minimal and secure, using tools like VPNs and avoiding social media to maintain privacy. This strategy mirrors that of privacy-conscious individuals who use technology sparingly and thoughtfully to avoid leaving a digital trail. Number 14. Settling in, finding your new home. Explore various locations until you find one that truly feels right, where you can fully embrace your new life. This search might take you across continents or just a few towns over, but like a seasoned traveler, you'll find your place of peace. Embrace a nomadic lifestyle initially to explore different cultures and communities. This exploration helps solidify your new identity and determines where you feel most at home. Number 15. The peaceful life. Embracing simplicity and solitude. Once you find your ideal setting, embrace a simple, quiet life away from your old world. Whether it's a cabin in the woods or a quiet beach town, live fully in your chosen retreat, enjoying the peace you've created. Once settled, embrace the simplicity and peace of your new environment. Whether it's gardening in rural Italy or teaching yoga in Bali, immerse yourself in local activities that reinforce your new life and disconnect from your past. Intrigued by the idea of a fresh start that not only promises a new lifestyle but also greater financial freedom? Our journey doesn't end here. Subscribe to our channel, where we delve deeper into cutting-edge financial strategies and life hacks that could dramatically elevate your quality of life. We're talking about unlocking levels of financial freedom you've only dreamt of, with practical steps that anyone can implement. If you're ready to discover more about transforming your financial future and escaping the ordinary, make sure you check out what we've got in store. This is more than just change. It's about revolutionizing your entire existence.